Yo, I just wanted to say if I haven't been uploading a lot recently, it's because I got a job teaching Soundtrap for Broadway's Babies. Woohoo! I've never mentioned it on this channel before, but it's been a lot of prep there. It's the first day of classes right now, so it's hectic time. I'm still going to school, doing all this YouTube stuff, so hope you guys like this beat cook-up, and let's get into it. I just wanted to tell you that first. First thing I'm going to do is drag and drop in some Cymatics. I'm going to put in this one. It says F sharp minor 130 BPM, so I changed my project to 130. Drag and drop in, see how this sounds. That could work. I mean, yeah, let's try it. I want the tempo to be 145 though, so right now, once I have it and it's 130 here, 130 here, I could put the metronome on and it's in time. You could just change the tempo right here and it'll morph the sample if you adjust it. So 145, confirm. You want to adjust the time? Yes, adjust it. That is it right there. I want that snare pattern. It's like boom. I'm just gonna do that, dragged in the kick. Nope. Let me get like a little click. What's some percussion? Ooh, I could put that in the downbeat though. I want those second snares to be quieter, but the first ones to be a little louder. So I duplicated the track, took those ones off. I could pitch those down as well. That'd be kind of cool. Cool. Maybe another kick right there. And then maybe not that one. I don't know. I don't think we need that last kick. That's the drum. Without the hi-hats. Highlighting them all like this. And then holding down Option on my Mac. I'll show the screen for Windows. I think it's Option on Windows too. So hold that down and then click and drag and you have a duplicate of the exact copy. And then I'll do it for 4 bars. So I'll do this whole thing again. And then Option, click, drag to the first beat of the next one. And there we go. We have a drum loop with better samples and no MIDI. I like that a lot. Alright, hi-hat time. Same pack. I'll use the Astro pack instead of the trap starter just to change it up. Let's try that. How's that sound? I like that. I like having those detune maybe. I'm hearing them like, what if they went -7 and -8? Dun, dun. Maybe a roll right there. That's kind of cool. I'm just going by ear. Do. Yeah, I want to change it up. I like that. I did like 7, 6, 7. So it's a. Notice that I'm like dragging along, and it'll link to the one. So if you have this little magnet up here, it'll link these audio clips to where they're like supposed to be, like that. If you saw that, so I'm just like smoothly going along, and then it goes like, you probably want that beat, and you probably want that beat. So yeah. Yeah. We need a bass line. I'm hearing 4 chords in that sample. The guitar's playing it in the back. Make a MIDI track. And, the key that it said was F sharp minor, so it'll probably be with F sharp minor. So F sharp. F sharp is G flat. Boom, boom, boom. Whatever that is. Those are the 2 bass notes. Third chord I'm iffy about, but whatever. C sharp, B, C sharp. I just got to keep track of that because I have those notes now, and now I'm going to make a bass line with the Cymatics 808s. Boom. I'm hearing bum bum. Boom boom boom. No, I'm gonna try. A little distortion on that 808 down there. Yeah. Nope. Let's just make it another section. I'm going to do it as if you have just a free version, but I'm going to duplicate them and then add a filter to it. So I'm going to duplicate this track because I want them to be like darker and put a filter for the second half, but the same pattern. Auto pan. Same thing with the snare. I'm going to do that. Duplicate the kick track as well because the kick has high-end information. Main snare 2, main kick 2, 808 number 2. We could find another loop, or let's go into let's just add a new track. Yeah, add a new track that's like lower. Don't like this. Testing it on my keyboard. Oh, I kind of like that. I like that. Alright, so this is going to be our second loop. Make this longer, like that long. The chords were F sharp, C sharp, B, D. So I'll just do a 7th chord. A 7th chord for all these. Dum, da, dum, dum, dum. Shift down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's just like voice leading. You're just like putting the notes near each other instead of away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I do 12 because it's the exact same note down, exact same note from the top, just an octave down. So that's why I'm doing that. We can go E, bum bum. I'm just hearing it. Bum, tap, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Hell yeah! A lot. I like it a lot. My computer's dying. That would not be good if my computer died. You're back. Die, please don't die, please don't die, computer. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Did not die. Woohoo! Alright, the transition sounds like this. Take the hi-hats of the first section, put them back in the next, maybe. We need to take the filter on the kick too. Forgot to do that. The first kick be the normal and then the other ones. Let's split this in half and make the more interesting one with the melody up top for the second, and then keep this one, like take notes out of this first one. So this first one, take this last snare out for the transition. For the transitions, I like to do a riser into the next one. That'll help with this. So again, Cymatics, FX. That's the Astro pack. Trap starter is gonna have a good one probably. White noise, yeah. Let's see how these sound. We could do that and then reverse it for the second one, so it like rises up and then it comes back down. Maybe like that. So it's like. Maybe cut it off right there, smooth out. And then put a bunch of reverb on it. Just default reverb, whatever. Let's put delays on it so like it tails on for a lot longer. A little bit quieter. I like doing a big old of a snare before that last section. Time really small. Huge reverb. That's what I wanted. Yep. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that's it. Yeah, we're done. Let's get out of here. Alright, that's the whole beat. That's pretty good. I like that beat. I wore this shirt today. I don't know why. I just wanted to look fancy. I don't know. But yeah, man, that's the beat. Leave a comment if you liked it. Please like it down below. That really helps with the YouTube algorithms. This is going to really help this video. If I missed anything, yeah, leave a comment about what I missed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.